Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into the pagan roots of Ash Wednesday, a significant day in the Christian calendar. Join me as we uncover the ancient traditions that have influenced this solemn observance. Ash Wednesday marks the beginning of Lent, a period of fasting and reflection for Christians worldwide. But did you know its origins can be traced back to pagan rituals? In ancient times, various cultures celebrated rites of spring, often involving purification and renewal. These rituals included the use of ashes to symbolize cleansing and the return to the earth. The ancient Romans celebrated the festival of Lupercalia, where priests would cleanse the city with sacrifices and sprinkle ashes on the people. This act was believed to purify and protect them from evil spirits. Similarly, in Celtic traditions, ashes held symbolic significance during the festival of Imbolc, marking the transition from winter to spring. They were used to bless fields and livestock, ensuring fertility and abundance. With the spread of Christianity across Europe, the Church often assimilated existing customs into its own rituals to ease the transition for converts. Pope Gregory I is credited with formalizing the observance of Ash Wednesday in the 7th century, combining elements of penance, fasting, and the use of ashes to symbolize repentance and mortality. Today, Ash Wednesday is observed by millions of Christians worldwide. But how has its significance evolved over time? While the pagan origins may have faded into history, the solemnity of Ash Wednesday remains a powerful reminder of human frailty and the need for spiritual renewal. The ashes, traditionally made from blessed palm branches, are now applied to the foreheads of believers in the shape of a cross, symbolizing their commitment to repentance and faith. As we conclude our exploration, we've uncovered the rich tapestry of history behind Ash Wednesday. From its pagan roots to its modern-day observance, this day serves as a poignant reminder of the interplay between cultures and religions. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating insights into the intersections of faith and history. Until next time, stay curious.